Did you know there's a brand new way to make money on YouTube with these things called YouTube Shorts? They get hundreds of millions of views, and there's even channels here making hundreds of thousands of dollars and even millions of dollars a month. And it's all just from posting these silly 10 to 60 second short form videos. But as you can see, a lot of these people are actually showing their face. So I'm going to show you how you can do it and make even more money without showing your face or using your voice. So let's get started. Really quick before we get started, I want to announce the winner to the free $1,000 course that I announced on my last video. And if you want to be entered in on the drawing for this one, make sure to comment, "I want to make money online because," and then give me the reason after that in the comments down below. But the winner from last week's course is going to be put on the screen right here. And with that being said, let's get started. What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here. And like I said in the intro, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with YouTube Shorts without even showing your face or using your voice. If you have no idea what YouTube Shorts are, basically it's YouTube's version of TikTok. And YouTube even put on their official blog that they introduced the YouTube Shorts Fund, where they're distributing $100 million over the course of 2021 and 2022. But that's not it, because in this video, like I said, I'm going to show you how to make even more money than these other videos with this secret monetization method that I'll be showing you later in the video. So make sure to stay for that, because I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything, and you don't want to miss out on any of those steps. So with that being said, the first step is you need to pick a niche. And one of the channels I showed here is not what you think. They have 783K subscribers, making upwards of 418K a month, probably more. You would really never know. This is just an estimate. But what you see is all of these videos are shorts videos. And what they're doing is they're actually adding a voiceover. So what I did is I did a bunch of research for you, and I found a perfect niche where you don't need to record the videos and you don't even need to record a voiceover. And I actually found this niche by using something called Tubebuddy. It's a free Chrome extension you can get. And on the side, after I searched shorts right here, it shows recent searches. And right here, it shows shorts plus travel. So what I did is I put that into YouTube and I was finding some stuff. And then what I did, I went over to TikTok to try and find some other viral videos that are doing the same strategy, you know, like short form travel content without showing your face. And I typed in best places to travel and I found these bucket list places to travel. And I'll click on it right here. As you can see, they just put up pictures of places with text on the screen. Super easy to do, so that's what we're gonna do in this video. Now, for step number 2, we have to actually pick a video topic. So that's just like picking your title, basically. And again, I use a tool called Morning Fame. You can also use Tubebuddy, but I like Morning Fame more. Like, this tool changed the game for me and my channel, and it's really so easy to use, and it helps you get more views. Man, I should be a rapper. But no, for real, like, for example, we'll type in best places to travel. Now it gives us all these video ideas here. So best places to travel in USA, best places to travel alone, best places to travel in Europe. So let's click that one, and then it gives you these rankings. And you can also go for like more uncommon keywords and more common keywords if you're a larger channel. We got an A, a D, a C, and an A. Like, that's pretty good compared to my grades in school, so we're going with it. Then it kind of just shows you like what your channel is compared to others. And when you're brand new, don't worry about the grades too much. You just want to make sure you have a good title for YouTube videos. So then hit choose for step 4. And then what you want to do is you just want to do a couple simple things here. So once you're ready to upload the video, you're all prepared. Let's do like the 5 best places to travel in Europe. Or what you can do is you can do best places to travel in Europe, the 5 best, or something like that. And then what you want to do is you want to put hashtag shorts at the end, not in caps though. Also, you want to copy and paste this and then paste it into your description. And you see how the relevance goes up right there, just like that. Boom. Then we scroll down and you want to add some tags. All these ones that show 0% and X's, exit all these out. Now, another beautiful thing about Tubebuddy is you just hit this suggestions tab right here, and then you just add all these. They do it for us. You see the relevance just shooting up, and now we're at 494 out of 500. Perfect. Go down here and hit save. Now, the pinned comment is very important for YouTube Shorts because this is where a lot of people, they leave something out because they just don't really know what they're teaching. So I spend a lot of time really picking apart certain videos and trying to figure out the right way to do things. And the pinned comment is how you're going to make the money with your YouTube Shorts because, for example, if I go to YouTube Shorts right now, there's no way to go to their description here, right? So if you click on their channel, it just takes you to all their videos. So you can't go to their description. The description is pointless, and that's where everyone else is putting the monetization links that I'll be showing you later. But if you go to the comments, you can actually pin a comment to the top. So right now, this top comment right here, it could say, do this or purchase this or whatever it is. So that's the way to do things. That's the real secret. For step number 3, we have to actually get the footage for the video. And I don't know about you, but my geography skills are like the worst of anyone. Like I couldn't even tell you 5 places in Europe. I'm not even kidding. Like I am not good at geography. So this is what you would do if you're like me and you know nothing about geography. So we're gonna go over to Google and then you're just gonna type in 5 best places to travel in Europe. So there we go, 25 best places to visit in Europe. So click that. Oh wow, Paris is in Europe. Okay, I see, that's how bad, but that's embarrassing. So we got 5. I know these. I didn't know that was in Europe. Paris, London, Rome. Those are all in Europe. So literally just take the top 5 right here and those are the places that you're going to add to the video. And you don't even have to use like a video editor or anything. There's a super cool tool that we're going to use. But first, what you want to do is you just want to go to Google again and type in Paris. Now we're going to go over to images and do not just take these images. What you want to do is you want to go to, I think it's tools, usage rights, and then commercial and other licenses. And then you can use these pictures. Also, another thing you can do is you can go to pexels.com. And I'm sure if you type in Paris here, they'll have a picture of Paris. These are completely free to use as well. And we'll just download one there. And then we will go back here, take London, type that in here. Is that a bridge in London? Yeah, Greater London. Okay, download. And I'll just leave it at those 2 for now. For step number 4, we're going to use a free tool called canva.com and then just search right here. So go to mobile and then just go to mobile video right here and then hit create a blank mobile video. Then just drag our pictures that we just added up into here. So obviously we're going to add in our images right here. So what's cool is if you drag it like that and then just hold it, it will kind of make it the whole size. Then what you want to do is you want to either add text here or just use this to add the pictures. And then actually if you use the app on YouTube Shorts, you go right here to this plus button and then hit create a short, and it's in beta right now. Okay. Also, I should mention Canva does have a phone app. So if you only have a cell phone, you can do this all with just a phone, just so you know. But basically you would either send yourself the video, like email it or airdrop it. And then you can go right here and click your videos. And then let's say we're going to add this one. And then what you would do is you would hit this check mark. And then you can hit text and you can just add in whatever text you want. You can change the kind of text right up here. And that's how you would do it like that. Otherwise, you can do it in Canva and upload it on your computer as well. It's going to be easier to do it right now, in my opinion. So we got this uploaded here. But what I would do before this one is I would add a page. I would drag it over and then I would add some text. I would probably add something like, or let's just copy and paste this right here. So it's the 5 best places to travel in Europe. Make it a little bigger, change the line spacing like this. And there you go. Just center it again. And then we'll go to photos right here. And then let's just type in something like travel. And this one's really good. So we'll put that one right there. But now we can't see our text. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to effects and go to hollow. We're going to make the thickness a bit bigger. Then we're going to copy and paste this. Make sure to center it like that. Go to effects, none, and then go to color and white. So now you can see it much better. But if you wanted to see it even better, you could go to effects, add a little shadow. I go all the way to the left, all the way to the left, all the way to the right, all the way to the right, and change it to black. And you can see it much better now. And then as for like right here, what I would do is I would add in an element and use this square, and you can make it whatever color you want, but I would make it like that. And then this is uncentered. Let's center that. So just double click it, center it. And then you would go to text right here again, and you would go like number 1. Paris. And you could also change the font. I like Montserrat. So I'll do like that, make it a little bigger. And then I would probably just make this white like that. And there you go. Perfect. Add another one right here. Add in our London one. And then do the same thing. We'll just copy and paste this box and this text. And then do number 2. London. We gotta make it just a little bit smaller. Also, you can change the length of each of these. So if you wanted to like change this to like 4 seconds. Also, one important thing, if we click on the image, it's kind of boring, just like this without like a video. But if you animate it, oh, it's not gonna let us do it. So what you gotta do, just delete this and drag this on it. So don't let it crop to the screen like how I showed you. So just manually do it. Because now if we do animate and you do photo zoom, it only does the photo and not the top part. You can like add these different animations and then it looks like a video. Oh, and one last thing before we download it, let's just go over here to audio and then add in some audio. It looks like you do need the pro account for this. So if you wanted to just download it from like YouTube audio library and bring it in, you could, but just get the pro free trial linked down in the description below. And then you can decide what you want to do after the trial's up. So we'll just drag this on here, and then that sounds pretty good. You can also drag it to where you would want it. Okay, so then we'll just download it, MP4 video, and then hit download. And then here is our finished video. Hit play. It's got the audio. It looks good. That music timed perfectly. It turned out better than expected. And now step number 5 is the absolute most important step, and that's how we actually make the money. And this is with a process called affiliate marketing. How it works is you're a creator or a publisher and you promote a product from a company to whoever, right? So we're putting a link in our description and our comment. So when that person purchases, the company deals with everything and that company gives us a commission. And pretty much every company nowadays has an affiliate program, even Amazon, Target, everyone. Speaking of affiliate marketing, the place where we got the ideas for these places in Europe from, look at this website. How do you think they make money? Do you see any ads? Well, I don't, but you see best hotels, best flights. So let's click best hotels right here. Now they have something on their page that shows the prices. Now let's view the deal. Where's it gonna go? Booking.com. And if you look really close in the website right here, there's a question mark, AID, and then some numbers. Affiliate ID. This website is doing affiliate marketing. So obviously hotels, flights, things like that are gonna be great products to promote rather than like Amazon where you can make really small commissions. If people are paying $1,000 for a hotel, you're gonna make a decent commission. Also, this works for any niche. So for example, if you just go to Google and type in highest paying travel affiliate programs or highest paying soccer affiliate program, whatever your niche is, then you just go here and check out what they got. You can see they're talking about affiliate marketing, them making money, and then you can see 10 best travel affiliate programs to earn money. You got Expedia, where you're earning up to 11% commissions. You got hotels, where you get $2 for everyone who just puts in their email address. They don't even have to purchase. And then you got Amazon, Booking pays 40%. So that's probably where you're gonna wanna go. Like these two, they're paying huge commissions. So then you would just hit sign up now for both of these, super simple. But once you get your affiliate link, I always suggest going to bit.ly.com if I can spell. So for example, you would put expedia.com/affiliate ID numbers, whatever. Then you hit shorten. And then now this much shorter link is your affiliate link. And then you want to copy that. And for now, we'll just stick it in our description, which leads us to step number 6, where we actually upload the video. Now, to create your video, like I said, you can do it on the app, like I showed you how you would do it if you do it that way. And that works totally fine. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it on the desktop. So you just go up here to create and you hit upload video. Now, this is just what I do to make things quicker and more simple to copy things over. So now I got Morning Fame and YouTube on on one side. Now we're just gonna select our files and then best places to travel right there, double click that. And now all we do is we copy everything from Morning Fame. So copy and paste, scroll down here and hit show more. And then for the tags right here, we're gonna scroll down, you just hit copy to clipboard and then paste. And then you do kinda want a thumbnail. It's not as important for the shorts ones because anyone watching on the shorts part of YouTube, they don't see the thumbnail anyway, so it's really not a big deal. But a big deal is the affiliate link. So let's say this is our Expedia link or whatever. So get the best rates for flights, and then you could just do like here and then paste it. I always use like some type of arrow. So you just go to Google and type in arrow on keyboard or something like that. Click that. And then we'll scroll down and you can take whichever one you want. Like that one's good. I like this one. That's the one I personally use. And you just copy it and then paste. And then also you'd be like, get the best rates for hotels. And then this is where you'd put your affiliate link for, what was it? It was bookings.com or whatever. That's in the description. Like I said, the most important part is the pinned comment. So then you have your 2 affiliate links. Let's take one of the arrows out. Just make sure you copy this stuff so you have it copied, this stuff right here, and then just hit next. Don't need any of this. Next, next, and then go to public and then publish. You want to go to the video link right here. Then what you want to do is you want to go right to the comments. The comments will only show 4 lines before you have to show more. So I would unclick that. So then you got 4 lines right there, and then hit comment, hit these 3 little dots and hit pin. And then pin it. Now, anyone that sees the video, that's the top comment. 2 ways to monetize and make big money. But if you want to learn how to make even more money on YouTube without showing your face, and you want to learn all of my secrets about affiliate marketing and YouTube, make sure to go to nofaceyt.com, where you can get access to my brand new No Face YouTube course and learn all of that and more. But that's all I got. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Speaking of the next video, if you want to watch a full in-depth tutorial where I teach you how to make money on YouTube without showing your face, you can click the video on the screen right now. See you over there.